bicho, cê é louco, meu Deus.
I'm vlogging the whole thing. Salali.
For energy.
For energy.
Ipin mo na yung ear. Eto, paano siya puputasan? Sabi niyo na may adhesive pa.
So, papunta na kami sa Victor. Feeling ko, I have a good feeling.
Kari ko, nagsabi pa.
Kasi teammate ko si Misha Fabian. Go Team 0199. Isa-skate niya. To the finish line, 5K. How are you feeling?
Great! Ecstatic!
We finished at 35 minutes, 34 seconds. Not bad for first timers. Hi guys, so we're done. We just came from Bridgetown and then nagpunta kami dito sa ayan siya. And nagpunta kami dito sa Canto Freestyle sa Katipunan just to alam mo mag-refuel. Honey garlic chicken. Sobrang sarap po kinang ina.
Papatalo, mas masarap ka.
Di ba? Lalo na yan, nung sobrang sarap. Kitatapos na namin mag-brunch. Brunch ba yun? At breakfast? Breakfast. Oo. 8:45 pa. So ngayon, naglalakad na kami papunta sa Starbucks para magkape. Dahil, bakit hindi? Hello! So, ngayon, kakaalis lang ni Misha. Nag-hangout pa kami for a bit at kumain kami. I mean, after namin kumain sa Canto Freestyle, nag-coffee muna kami. Tapos, ang daming chika. Ganun pala talaga pag friends. Wow! And what I mean is, ang dami namin nakain. Parang baliwala yung finanra namin. Pero it was all worth it. Kasi na-miss ko si Misha. She's been gone for 2 weeks. And I feel like she missed a lot while she was gone. But fun kasi we were able to catch up and we're planning to meet again this week to alam niya magluto ng mga something. So ayun na lang, abangan nyo na lang. Uwi na ako para matulog. Bye. Pawis muna bago matulog. River.
I got for him. But kasi may ginagawa tayo ng morning na, diba?
Hey.
Ano yun?
Bigyan mo nga kami. Niliyan. Ay!
We're complete!
Yay! Very rare. Why? What happened? What happened, Vela?
Parang ano siya? Ano yan?
Is that a game? Hi guys, another day in a life. Wow, as a tech guy, it's 12:14 and I'm going to drive to work. Medyo late ako alas today kasi coding ako, but I'm hoping na maabutan ko yung lunch. So, see you there.
You know what makes me crazy? I'm sorry, can I say this? You know what makes me nuts? And you are gonna choose someone else to be with. No, you aren't. Yes, JD, that's exactly the day. That's not about you and you and nothing but you. Marvelous novelist, you.
Lunch.
Alam mo, yun lang yung naging favorite ko sa Disneyland. Dumaan si Mulan, tas ang ganda.
Sa miyo ng bulaklak at ihip ng hangin ay kapansin-pansin. Ngunit ngayon naglako na sigla't tamis. Pagmamahal ko ba'y kailangan pa? Dati-rati mga pangako ko'y kandungan mo't lakas. Sa pagsubok kay tatag. Hi guys, so today we are heading to the opening show of Joseph the Dreamer. So I'm doing my skincare routine bago ako malis ng bahay. After that, mag-head pa ako sa office to do a little work and also have a physical consultation kasi medyo meron akong body pain. So I'm going to an appointment with our company doctor if kailangan ko magkaroon ng physical exam or physical therapy. Ayan. This is the fit today. It's corduroy on corduroy. Dumi ng salamin pero ayan, fit check. Actually, hindi siya magka-partner talaga. I just happen to have 2 pieces of corduroy clothes. Isang top tsaka isang bottom. So, why not? Kulo? Hi guys, we're currently...
Bakit ka naging ano?
Tinatawanan. Hindi, nag-vlog nga ako be, dinodocument ko yung life ko.
Ba't kailangan ganun yung boses? Bakit parang may kinakain?
Bakit di naman talaga yung totoong boses ko ah?
Hindi ka ganito magsalita, guys.
Hi guys.
Ganyan na! Jealousy! Tangina mo!
Walang visual, sorry guys ha.
Oo, hello, feeling. Every time na sinasabi mo yung guys. Parang okay lahat, guys. Okay naman ako mag-setup.
So parang feeling ko pag lumabas yung vlog ko, puro, parang baka isipin mo hindi ako yun, na nag-cosplay ako.
At kung mag-cosplay ka, I will support it.
Diba?
Alam mo, sabi ko nga, diba marami